Home HVAC Services provides fast, reliable furnace repair in Westchester, PA, keeping your home warm and comfortable when it matters most. Our experienced technicians deliver honest diagnostics, quality repairs, and dependable service you can trust all winter long. Call our furnace repair if you have any questions. Are you looking for a furnace repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services. Do you offer furnace repair services in Westchester, PA? Yes, Home HVAC Services proudly provides professional furnace repair throughout Westchester, PA and surrounding areas. We work with all major furnace brands and models. How do I know if my furnace needs repair? Common signs include unusual noises, weak or uneven heating, higher energy bills, frequent cycling, or your furnace not turning on at all. If you notice any of these issues, Home HVAC Services can diagnose the problem quickly. What is your service area for the Westchester, Pennsylvania service office? Our furnace repairs have served Westchester, Chester Springs, Lionville, Eagleview, Eagle, Exton, Ackworth, Downingtown, Fisherville, Thorndale, Woodward's Corner, Marshallton, Windon, Malvern Hunt, Yellow Springs, Westtown Acres, Westtown Park, Allegiance, Ashwell, Pennsylvania. Where is your Westchester, Pennsylvania furnace repair office located? We are located at 831 Westchester Pike, Westchester, Pennsylvania 19382. Our phone number is 484-573-7551. Visit our website, www.homehvacservices.com.